Good morning, children. I have taught you about the types of adjectives. First one is adjective of quality. Second one is adjective of quantity. Now the third one is adjective of number. Adjective of number. Adjective of number. Adjective of number. This is used to show the number of nouns. Used to show the number of nouns and their place in order Okay, this adjectives or number is used to show the number of nouns and their place in order. Example: Ravi has 10 rupees. Ravi has 10 rupees. So this 10 is the adjective of number. Adjective of number. Adjective of number is used to show the number of nouns and their place in order. Example: Ravi has 10 rupees. This 10 is the adjective of number. Second one: she has many dresses. She has many dresses. She has many dresses. Here many is the adjective of number. Adjective of number. She has many dresses. Many is the adjective of number. The boy in the first row won the prize. So here first is the adjective of number. First is the adjective of number. Now listen dear children. Adjective of number is used to show the number of nouns or pronouns and their place in order. First one, example: Ravi has 10 rupees. 10 is the adjective of number. Second one, she has many dresses. Here many is the adjective of number. Third one, the boy in the first row won the prize. Here first is the adjective of number. Understood, children? I hope you have understood about the adjective of number. Distributive adjective. Distributive adjectives. Distributive adjectives. Now the fourth one is in the type of adjective. Fourth one is distributive adjective. It takes only the singular nouns at a time. Singular noun at a time. Okay? Time. It takes only the singular noun at a time. Example: every boy is playing. Every boy is playing. So this every is the distributive adjective. Distributive adjectives takes only a singular noun at a time. Distributive adjectives takes only a singular noun at a time. Example: every boy is playing. Here every is the distributive adjective. Next one, neither. Second example: neither student is present in the class. Neither student is present in the class. Here this neither is the distributive adjective. So distributive adjectives takes only a singular noun at a time. Example: every boy is playing. This every is the distributive adjective. Here neither student is present in the class. This neither is the distributive adjectives. I hope you have understood the distributive adjectives. Distributive adjectives takes only a singular noun at a time. Okay? Example: every boy is playing. Every is the distributive adjective. Next one, neither student is present in the class. Neither is also distributive adjective. Okay? Next comes the demonstrative adjectives. Next comes, fifth one comes demonstrative adjectives. Fifth one is the demonstrative. Demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives. These adjectives are used to point out the noun or pronoun in specific. These are used to point out the noun or pronoun in specific. So this and that is used for singular. Is used for singular noun. For singular noun. This is to point out, these adjectives are used to point out the specific noun or pronoun. This and that is used for singular. These and those are used for plural ones. Plural nouns are used for plural nouns. So these demonstrative adjectives are used to point out noun or pronoun. Used to point out noun or pronoun. This and that is used for singular noun. Next, these and those are used for plural nouns. So for example, this book is mine. So this is the demonstrative pronoun here. Demonstrative pronoun. This book is mine. Second one, that book is yours. That book is yours. So this that is the demonstrative adjective. This and that is used for singular noun, and these and those are used for plural noun. So demonstrative adjectives are used to point out a noun or pronoun in a specific manner. Okay, so this and that is used for singular, and these and those are used for plural. Example, this book is mine, that book is yours. Next, some more examples we will see. I want those sweets. I want those sweets. Those. Demonstrative adjective. Next one. Vicky likes these toys very much. Very much. So, these. Demonstrative adjectives. So demonstrative adjectives are used to point out the noun or pronoun in specific. This and that is used in the singular, and these and those are used in the plural. Okay. So this book is mine. This is the demonstrative adjective. I want those sweets. Those are the demonstrative adjective. I hope you have understood. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now the sixth one is interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives. These are WH questions. These are WH questions. These are the WH questions. These are used with the nouns to ask questions. These WH questions are used with the nouns. To ask questions. To ask questions. Used with the noun to ask questions. To ask questions. So this interrogative adjectives or the WH questions. These are used to ask questions. These are used with the noun to ask questions. For example, which is your, for example, which city have you visited? Which city have you visited? Here, which is the WH question used with the noun to ask question. So interrogative adjectives are WH questions which is used to ask questions. Okay. So first one example, which city have you visited? Second one, what punishment was given to him? What punishment was given to him? Here WH question, what punishment was given to him? Next, third one, which place do you like to visit? Which place do you like to visit? Here which is the interrogative adjective. So interrogative adjectives are WH questions. It is used with the noun to ask question. Example, which city have you visited? What punishment was given to him? Which place do you like to visit? I hope you have understood about the interrogative adjectives. These interrogative adjectives are WH questions which is used with a noun to ask question. Used with a noun to ask the question. Example, which city have you visited? What punishment was given to him? Which place do you like to visit? Now the seventh one is possessive adjective. Possessive adjectives. These speak about the possession of a noun or pronoun. So they speak about the possession of a noun or pronoun. Possession of a noun or pronoun. So these possessive adjectives speak about the possession of a noun or pronoun. Possessive adjectives speak about the possession of a noun or pronoun. Example, your book is here. Your book is here. Your book is here. See, here is the possessive adjective. Second one, example, she took her chair. Here, her is the possessive adjective. Okay, your book is here. Here is the possessive adjective. This speaks about the possession of a noun or pronoun. Possession of a noun or pronoun. Example, your book is here. She took her chair. My dress is new. My dress is new. My dress is new. My is the possessive adjective. So here possessive adjective speaks about the possession of a noun or pronoun. So example, your book is here. Here is the possessive adjective. Second one, she took her chair. Third one, my dress is new. Okay, I hope you have understood about possessive adjective. Next comes the compound adjectives. Now the eighth one is compound adjectives. So the last one is, the eighth one is the compound adjectives. Eighth one is the compound adjectives. Compound adjectives. It has more than one word. More than one word or hyphenated word. Hyphenated word. Hyphen will be there in between the two words. In between the two words. Like few example hyphenated words, like example part-time. Part-time. Here hyphen is used. Hyphen is used here. So this has more than, this compound adjectives has more than one word or hyphenated words. More than one word, usually hyphenated words. Hyphen words. Okay. This compound adjectives has more than one word or hyphen words. Example, part hyphen time. Hyphen time. So example here. Please order for a few foot table. Foot table. 4 feet, 4 foot table. Okay, here hyphenated word. 4 foot is the hyphenated word. So this compound adjectives has more than one word. Otherwise, they will be having hyphenated word like part time. Another example we will see. He works as a part-time keeper in a hotel. Okay, so this part-time is a compound adjective. Okay, he works as a part-time keeper in a hotel. Next, it is another example. It is a 6-page document. 6-page document. So this 6-page is a hyphenated word. This 6-page is the hyphenated word. It is a compound adjective. These compound adjectives has more than one word. Usually hyphen word is used. Hyphenated word means we will be having a small line in between the two words. Example, he works as a part-time keeper in the hotel. Second one, it is a 6-page document. Okay children, I hope you have understood about the types of adjectives. There are 8 types of adjectives I told you. I hope you are clear with all these things. Thank you.